Good day, my name is Jared van Aswegen. I'm a South African citizen, and I believe that if you want to live comfortably, you need to work extra hard. Just to tell you guys a little bit more about myself as well, I have about 3 years farming experiences, working on a wildlife animal farm, assisting with general farm work, driving some tractors, cutting grass, a little bit of plumbing, a little bit of electrical work, fencing as well, feeding the animals, looking after the animals, cleaning after the animals as well. I've done a little bit of construction work as well, so I have experience in that field as well. And I believe that I can be an asset overseas. I'm also a quick learner and a hard worker. I'm very loyal. I don't smoke as well. And I really think that I can be an asset overseas. I don't mind working long hours as well. And I think that to make a success out of this and to make a success out of going overseas, you need to go open-mindedly, and you need to learn the experiences and be able to learn, be hardworking as well.